The rain hammered against the gopherwood planks, a relentless rhythm accompanying Noah's weary work. He wiped sweat from his brow, the scent of cedar and impending deluge thick in the air. 2 by 2, the animals entered the ark. A lion and lioness, their amber eyes reflecting the stormy sky. A pair of giraffes, their long necks reaching towards the heavens. A family of elephants, their massive forms surprisingly gentle as they lumbered aboard. Noah's sons, Shem, Ham, and Japheth, worked tirelessly, their faces grim but determined. The world outside was a churning chaos of wind and water, a testament to God's wrath. Days bled into weeks, the ark a floating sanctuary amidst the watery abyss. Then, as suddenly as it began, the storm ceased. A shaft of sunlight pierced the clouds, revealing a breathtaking rainbow arching across the cleansed sky. The ark settled gently upon a mountain peak, the promise of a new beginning palpable in the air. Génération passed. The descendants of Noah flourished, their lives a testament to God's mercy. Then came Moses, a shepherd boy who became a liberator. He stood before the Red Sea, a vast expanse of water separating his people from freedom. Pharaoh's army hot on their heels. Fear gripped the hearts of the Israelites, but Moses, his faith unwavering, raised his staff. The wind howled, the water parted, revealing a dry path leading to the other side. With God's protection, the Israelites crossed, their footsteps echoing in the silence of the parted sea. Pharaoh's army followed, their arrogance blinding them to the impending doom. The waters crashed back down, swallowing the pursuing soldiers, a stark reminder of God's power and the consequences of defiance. From the ark's safe haven to the miraculous parting of the Red Sea, the stories echoed down through time, a testament to God's unwavering love, protection, and the unwavering power of faith.